Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your language on CountryStar application. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open the CountryStar application from your app drawer. Once you open the application, also make sure that you've signed in with your Supercell ID, and once you are, tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. Now in the expanded menu, tap on settings. Tap the English option right next to language, which is the default language option. Now select your preferred language you'd like to change to, and this will restart your CountryStar game. Once it loads open, you will be able to see that you've successfully changed your display language. That's how easy it is to change your language preference on CountryStar application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.